Hi, my name is Ana Guglielmi. I am the co-founder and CEO of Vooiage. I come from a business background. I worked for over 8 years in China and Brazil in business development, and I did my MBA at IE. I moved to Europe to pursue that. That's where I met all of my colleagues and other co-founders of Vooiage. Vooiage is a virtual reality platform for physical rehabilitation.
Hi, myself Santhosh. I'm co-founder and CTO of the Vooiage. I'm basically from India, but from last 8 years I've been living in Brazil. Like she said, we met at MBA and we like the startup idea. And right now we developed to the prototype stage, and we'll be shortly testing this prototype on the actual patients. So our solution is a tool for the physiotherapists where they can use along with their physiotherapy to make this physiotherapy much more fun, immersive, and help patients recover faster.
In terms of the platform, we've met a lot of people and we have very close friends that needed physiotherapy for a really long time. And their main complaint is that it's very boring, it's long, and it's very repetitive. We want to change that. That's what we are here to do. We want to make it more effective, we want to make it more integrative. And the beauty of the virtual reality is that you can make it more immersive. So you can be transported anywhere. That's the play on words of the name. You can be transported to a different world. You can be transported to somewhere that you love or to somewhere that you've never been, all the while still doing and working for your health. So still improving your health. We're giving points. We're making it more integrated for the people to want maybe too strong of a verb, but to actually don't stop the treatment in the middle. There are many people that don't go through. They cannot even see how well they're improving, or they just improved a little bit and say, I don't need this anymore, and they stop. That's a big problem because maybe 1 year from now you're still going to have the same problems that you had, and even worse. We want to change that. We want people to start a treatment and to follow through all of this. We want them to have fun doing it.
What is it? Basically a virtual reality solution for the physiotherapist. So how it's going to work? So the physiotherapist will be actually watching from the laptop whatever the therapy or whatever the exercise the patient has to do. So he'll set all the things on the laptop and the patient will wear the headset and he will have the controls as of right now. And later stage, we are trying to work with sensors which can track all the movements. Just for an example, so if you see on the screen, so whatever I'm trying to do, the physiotherapist is able to see. So these are like simple exercise. So let's say you have an injury and you want to do some arm exercise. So your physiotherapist is actually helping you to move your hand. And even this exercise can be done for the people who are on the wheelchair. They don't have to move around. They have various different types of exercise. So this is another arm exercise where simple things.
We've met really interesting people on this journey. We've met some people from our IE business school where we worked from. We've met a lot of incubators in Spain also. There's a VR incubator in Spain called Oasis. They've been giving us a pretty good hand on this. But that's what we want to do now. That's one of the things why we are here. We just finished our prototype. So we are showcasing it. We're also looking for investors and for partners to come and help us and to join us on this journey. We have people that need physiotherapy for 2-3 years of their lives. And it's the same procedures, the same routine every day. It's the same place, it's the same clinic. It doesn't need to be like that anymore. You can be in Paris, you can be in a beach if you want, you can be in a nice harbor, anywhere else in the world. For me, point number one is networking. And in terms of developing your business and going forward, but have a team. Your team is the most important asset that you're ever gonna have. I have an amazing team with me. We come from different backgrounds, we have different experiences, but we complement each other in a way that I never imagined it was possible.
I think pretty much it. I think, like she said, the most important thing is the team. And the market opportunity, idea, you can always keep pivoting and change according to the market conditions. But most important thing is a team to sustain all the startup pressure, to go through the bootstrapping, funding phase, pitching every time, every day in your sleep, you're awake. So keep pitching your idea every time.
For me, in terms of networking, has been a really good thing. That's one of the key things for any startup that's starting right now. I would say network, and be out there and get to know people, because you never know when the next best contact is going to come from.
I think it's one of the best platforms to get networking, and all the companies from A to Z are here. So you can expand your network, you can get to know more, and especially the future of technology, what are the new things happening, so you get the info firsthand. So I think it's a very good platform, and we are lucky that we got selected as a startup to showcase our startup, and we are able to show our prototype to the people, we are able to get feedback, and we want to take it further from here.
Hi Cédric, thank you for having us here. This is an amazing opportunity. Obrigada, thank you. Grazie, gracias.